How to unlock Snapchat account on 2023. Let's get right into the video. Open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now you want to go to the search bar and type fix Snapchat account locked. As soon as you do that, a page will appear in front of your screen and then you want to tap on my account is locked. After that, you want to tap on going here in my account has been temporarily locked. And now this is one way to unlock Snapchat account. The next way is to going back to the link that is provided here. As going here, you want to tap on that and then you'll reach to the screen. After that, you want to tap on contact us. It will ask you how can they help you, and then tap on the reasons why they can help you and what they can do and provide more information about it. In this way, you can unlock Snapchat account in 2023. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.